So when you say product information is a revenue asset, what does that mean in practice?
Well, first, it means that product data is no longer back office content. It's the infrastructure that determines visibility, trust, speed, and growth wherever your buying decisions are being made. The manufacturers we work with who have made this shift, they treat their PIM as a revenue system, not as a data storage system. They are not having a conversation that sounds, let's clean up the data internally. They speak about, let's make sure our products are the ones that get recommended. That's the conversation they are having internally. And that's a different conversation with a different owner and a different urgency than in the past. And increasingly, as I said, more and more of those decisions are being made by AI systems that synthesize one single answer and recommend one specific product. Manufacturers who shows up in that answer and get visible to AIs, they have structured their data and built this operational foundation to really be there. The ones who don't, even if they have better products, they get filtered out before a conversation even begins. So that's one way you can view how it becomes a revenue asset.